Conversation between two friends about the importance of trees and plantation.
What are you thinking, Jack? I am thinking of planting trees in my garden. But why? Don't you know about the importance of trees? I know something about it. Like, trees give us oxygen. They give us food and fruits. Its importance is more than that. Would you please tell me about the importance of trees? Of course. Trees provide shelter for many birds and animals. They remove harmful pollutants from the air and reduce pollution. They prevent soil erosion. They reduce the amount of heat in the atmosphere. Trees have many importance. Importance of trees even more. Please tell me about it. Sure. Trees also give many medicines. They are the cause of rainfall. Listening to you, I think we should plant more trees. You are absolutely right. We have a lot of empty places for tree plantation. There are many roads and highways in the country. We can plant trees on both sides of the roads and highways. But do you notice that many shameless people are cutting down trees at random? What could be the result of this? If they cut down trees indiscriminately, the country will one day turn into a desert. The temperature will rise, and it will cause greenhouse effect. I think it will not be harmful if people plant more trees after cutting trees. You are right. To save life and maintain the ecological balance of the environment, there is no alternative to tree plantation. Now I understand why planting trees is so important. Let's make aware of our friends and motivate them to plant trees more and more to make our country a land of greenery. Yes. I am grateful to you for sharing your good information. You are most welcome.
If you like this video, so don't forget to like and share my video. Please press the bell icon and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video.